Alright, here is the salt lamp that I ordered. This is the box that it came in. It came with 2 light bulbs. I've got one of them obviously in the lamp right now. And the on switch has this little dial so you can kind of adjust how dim or how bright the lamp shines. It looks a lot brighter on camera than what it is in person. But that's it at the max. And that is about as dim as it will go. And here it is from this other side. This is also really, really heavy. It's very sturdy and durable, you can tell.
The little knob, I'll show you in a second. I'm turning down the dim, and that's off. And this is what the knob looks like. You just turn that, and then it starts getting darker. It's perfect nightlight, actually, right here. And then turn it to the right, and it gets bright.
Is fine.
We're not afraid of you.
No, but we're afraid of you. Everyone is horrified and disgusted.